Doncaster Cables, privately owned company, started trading in 1984. Started off with one extrusion line and a small packaging facility, and since then we've grown into a 600,000 square foot facility, 10 extruders, a variety of layup, bunching equipment, steel wire armourers, final winding, and now we're producing millions of metres a week of British-made cable. There's been a rapid downturn in the market since 1970. That was the cable making heyday, if you like. There was 27 cable manufacturers in the UK. There's now only 8. Only 2 of those are British owned. And I think that just sums up manufacturing as a whole across Britain. And we see that in some of the other videos that Made in Britain have done. There used to be 45,000 employees in the cable making industry in the UK in the 1970s. 95% of the cable that was installed in the UK was made in Britain, and we've had a massive turnaround. So now there's only 2,000 employees in the United Kingdom cable industry, and over 80% of cables that are installed are actually coming in from overseas. And this has created a massive race to the bottom in the industry. So as the cables have been imported, everything is based on price, and people are looking to engineer the products as cheap as they possibly can be. And we don't want to get involved in that race. So we've always set ourselves out to make the highest quality products that we can and sell on quality, reliability and service. And hopefully now people will start to realise the value of British manufacturing. So shortening the supply chain, the reliability of the products, the quality of the products. We're seeing more and more people realising the benefits of onshoring and wanting UK supply. It was only recently we had one of the biggest infrastructure companies in the UK come to see us, and they've really summed it up quite well. And the global world, as they understood it, they now said they've realised that there are borders, and borders can be closed for any reason. And that has really given us the incentive to try and grow the business. We've seen a huge change in the mindset of people in the UK. And the more people that realise the benefits of British manufacturing, the more UK manufacturing will be required, the more UK jobs we can provide, and the more sustainable we can become as a country.